close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hello guys, you're welcome. I'm Yvonne and today we are learning the two methods of making gathers on any fabric, and we are going to use this legendary Ankara fabric, or as we call it in East Africa, it is the Chitenge. I have these two pieces and that's what I'm going to be using to make a skirt as an example. So with this we are on this forgive me. So this is the fabric. It is the Chitenge as in East Africa, and the Ankara from the West Africa. So on this top end is where we're going to run the stitches. So with our first method, we will be using a sewing machine and we will be running the loosest stitch on the sewing machine. Remember not to tack or not to back stitch at the start, but just run the loosest stitch on your sewing machine on any fabric that you want to make the gathers, as you see me doing. After, you'll have two threads at the extreme end. Pick just one from those two threads, pick just one and start pulling the fabric gently. Remember, gently, because those stitches, one can break out, but if you pull gently you will have the best gather. So using the sewing machine is our first method, and then as you pull the fabric, you hold the thread on one side and then pull the fabric as it makes gathers. As I'm illustrating here, I'm getting one of the threads and then I pull the fabric gently, remember. And remember, we do not tack or we do not back stitch at the start and even at the end. So this is how I'm doing it. You're seeing the gathers have started forming. I'm loving the outcome. Gently, remember, don't use force. Gently. And the second method is the method of using a needle and a long thread. Just pass a long thread in your needle as you're seeing me here. This is the second method. So with this thread and with the thread in the needle, I'm going to run the normal stitch still as you saw, just a normal stitch. Here you're not using a sewing machine, no need of loose stitch, but a normal stitch. But still don't pack too much, but just a normal stitch. You can make spaces, but not big spaces, but just run a normal stitch, but not very close to. Don't do it closest, but just run a normal stitch as you see me doing here. I'm running it all throughout the fabric, and then after, you see, just do it, take your time, do it gently. You're seeing it's kind of some work, but you get there at the end. So continue doing the same till you finish up the entire length that you're having, or the entire measurement, as you see me here. Remember, even in this method, don't tack, don't backstitch. So after, this is what we are having after running this normal stitch. You're seeing the spaces I've been talking about. So I'll just start pushing the fabric inside, holding the thread. Still do it gently, don't use force. Go on pushing the fabric along that stitch we've made, or along that line that we've made. You're seeing the gathers are starting to form. So this is here, I'm trying to show you the finished product, but still I'm still gathering it up to get the measurement that I want. You see here, gathers. There we have them. So beautiful. So after this is the finished product, I have my 2 pieces of skirt that I'm going to be using, fully gathered and looking beautiful. Do you see it there? And then I've gone and I've gotten an invisible zipper, as you see here. Then I've taken out 2 pieces of pockets. I will be attaching a pocket on one side, and the other side I will be attaching the zip. Then I have that the waistband. I've made the waistband, but I'll cut it into 2 so that each piece gets 1, as you see. So this is it, guys, the waistband that I'll be cutting into 2 so that each piece gets 1. Then let's continue. Then after there, I've attached my pocket on one side, as you see there, and then the waistband on the front side of the skirt, and then the other waistband I'll be attaching it to the back. And you see, guys, how they are formed. So beautiful, so beautiful. How do you like it? Comment below what do you think about it so far. You see, I think it's beautiful. Then I'll go ahead and right sides facing each other, I'll just sew along the edges, going down to the pocket end, as you see. And then when I reach there, I will stop and pause. Then I will be changing to sew all the edges of the pockets, as you see me here doing. You see, I'll go ahead and sew the edges of the pockets and then continue. I put everything together, married forever, the front and the back, and we'll be having our skirt. So this is how I do it. Like that, just continue. Then afterwards I went ahead and hemmed my skirt, and this is the finished product. How do you see the skirt? It is beautiful. I love that turquoise color in it. It has some pink in it and the yellows. It's such a beautiful fabric. You're seeing pink, white, yellow. It's looking fabulous. I think it's a beautiful skirt. Just go ahead and subscribe.